Malapit na akong sumuko or mag-give up sa aking digital product business. And now, I'm making a consistent profits after I revamped it 6 months ago. And here's how I did it. Hey there, I'm Rose. I am a full-time mom at the same time a digital product entrepreneur. This channel is all about helping you to make money online through selling digital products. Sa video na ito guys, i-share ko sa iyo ang aking roller coaster na journey about selling digital products online with System.io. System.io is a game changer in my online business and I will share to you kung bakit. Balikan muna natin yung taon kung kailan ako nag-start talaga as a digital product entrepreneur. Back in 2019, I jumped into the world of digital products. That time guys ay nagtatrabaho din ako full-time. And during those first year of being a digital product business owner, syempre I felt excited. So iniisip ko that time na baka ito na talaga yung chance or ito na yung way para makaahon ako sa kahirapan at makawala sa toxic environment ng aking trabaho. And during that year, 2019, ay nakapag-launch ako ng aking first online course which is YouTube marketing. Was it successful? Not much. Though nagkaroon ako ng sale na 2,500 pesos and nagkaroon din ako ng few students about YouTube marketing. Pero yung kinita ko doon sa nabenta ko na digital products ay hindi pa enough para ma-recover ko yung cost pagdating sa aking website, sa automation, and sa email services. So, sa madaling salita ay lugi pa din ako doon. Sobra akong na-frustrate that time guys kasi gumastos na ako ng lumaki pero yung return of investment or ROI ay hindi pa din siya sapat para mabawi ko yung capital ko para sa online business. Then, on the year 2020, yung akala ko na makabawi na ako, yung akala ko na babawi ako this year, ay yun pala ay malaking kabaliktaran. Kasi that year din tumama sa ating bansa or sa buong mundo yung COVID-19. Na lahat tayo ay hindi prepared. Even me, I'm not prepared kung ano yung mangyayari. COVID-19 turned the world upside down. And then marami din ang naapektuhan gawa ng pandemic na ito. And also, July 2020, I found out na buntis ako sa aking first baby. So, my partner and I decided na mag-quit na ako sa aking full-time job kasi risky ang pagpasok ko sa trabaho from San Mateo pa ako hanggang Ortigas. So, yung office kung saan ako nagtatrabaho ay nasa Ortigas and the bad thing is that yung building kung saan ako nagtatrabaho ay merong mga employees na nag-positive sa COVID-19. So, it was a risk for me and for my baby na nasa sinapupunan ko pa that time. So, I decided na lang talaga na mag-quit na lang kaysa mag-risk. Kaysa naman ma-risk yung health ko at saka yung baby namin. So, ayun nga, nag-quit ako and then nag-decide ako na mag-stay at home. So, dahil nga wala na akong income, wala na akong trabaho, and then meron pa akong mga gastusin pagdating sa online business. So, I decided talaga na I quit. I stopped the business, my dream business. It was hard that time kasi zero income ako as in wala talaga akong pinagkukunan ng source of income. And to think na I am pregnant that I must prepare for our baby and meron naman akong kunting savings but I know in myself na hindi yun enough. Feeling ko that time it was a game over na wala na akong chance na makabalik as a digital product seller. Kasi guys, it's really my dream na magkaroon ng business. And the business model that I want is to have a digital product business. 2020 when I quit, sabi ko na wala na talaga to. Wala na akong pag-asa kasi full-time mom na ako, wala na akong source of income, and paano ko sisimulan ulit yung business. So, nung nag-quit ako 2020, I decided na mag-try on freelancing and then with God's grace, guys, through my freelancing, I was able to make money online kahit konti lang at kahit papano ay nakakatulong ako sa aking husband pagdating sa our financial needs. And then, hindi din ako pwedeng tumanggap ng mga big projects kasi nga I was pregnant and 2021 when I gave birth to our baby. So, nag-focus muna talaga ako sa kanya. So, I stopped everything from freelancing, from selling digital products, or from selling mga online activities ko, I really stop it guys para mag-focus ako kay BP. And then 2022, when I stumbled upon System.io, so I was shocked when I learned about the platform kasi meron siyang free lifetime account, and then yung mga kailangan or yung basic needs or basic features na kailangan ko to start a digital product business ay ando na sa platform. So sabi ko, wow, ang ganda nito. For me that time, akala ko scam lang yung System.io. Sabi ko, napaka-imposible naman na mayroong ganitong software na, mayroong palang nag-exist na ganitong software. Almost everything that you need to start a digital business ay ando na talaga sa platform. Hindi ko pa siya sinishare before kasi feeling ko baka scam to, and then pag i-share ko sa iba, baka biglang mas-scam din sila. So ako pa yung maging source or maging dahilan kung bakit nangyari sa kanila. So ganun, pinag-aralan ko muna talaga yung platform. January 2023 as I remember, na sabi ko, try ko lang mag-run ng digital business ulit kay System.io. And then hindi ko inasahan guys na magkakaroon ako ng sales that time. Kasi sabi ko, try lang naman, 'di ba? So ayun, since nagkaroon ako ng sales, mas inaral ko pa yung platform, and then I silently promote it to my other friends na gusto magkaroon ng online business na ayaw gumastos ng malaki sa isang platform. And also, that year, ay namatay din si Papa, and I really get discouraged to continue my journey. Sabi ko, ayoko na nga mag digital product business, parang nakakapagod na, wala na akong gana. Lahat na lang ng negative emotions, lahat ng negative na pag-iisip ay naisip ko guys. So, I really want to quit. Sabi ko, ayoko na, pagod na akong mag-venture sa online business. Wala naman na si Papa, wala na akong inspiration or motivation para i-continue ang journey na ito. Kasi si Papa lang talaga yung dahilan why I started my online business journey, kasi gusto ko siyang matulungan, makapag-sustain sa maintenance niya at mapagamot as well. So, nung nawala si Papa ay everything, wala na din. Wala nang gana lahat. And then, I realized a month later na I should not give up. I should try again kahit wala na si Papa, para na lang siguro sa aking anak at sa aking asawa. So, that's when, January 2024, when I decided na, sige, mag-try ulit ako, and let's start from zero. Let's start from scratch. So, that month, ay nag-start ako mag-offer ng affiliate products. So, ino-offer ko yung products ni Doc Lloyd Labso and kay Jonathan Montoya. So, on the first month, January, ay wala pa talaga akong sales, as in zero. And on February nagkaroon ako ng results kasi may pumasok na affiliate commission doon sa mga affiliate products na pinopromote ko. And the same month, February 2024, nag-launch ako ng aking System.io Affiliate Marketing Challenge. So, may ginawa akong online challenge, and then may mga tao na nag-buy ng recordings doon. I was so excited that month, February, kasi sabi ko, wow, may kita ulit ako from System.io. And then on March, riding that wave of motivation, kasi sobrang motivated ko talaga that time, I decided to level up. Nag-invest ulit ako sa isang done-for-you product or ebook, which is the Faceless Digital Marketing Guide. So, bumili ako noon, like mga 500 pesos po yung nabili ko doon. I took another risk kasi feeling ko that time ay in demand yung Faceless Digital Marketing Guide. And then, I've launched it, guys. Even though I'm not quite sure kung kikita ba talaga ako doon. Basta ang importante is that nilaunch ko siya. And then, again, I made a profit. I was so happy, guys, kasi yung pinuhunan ko na 500 pesos para bumili nung done-for-you products ay nagiging 2,000. And then, nabawi ko na yung puhunan ko doon. And I feel that, oh, this is really working. And I feel more excitement and then noong April, I invested against another naman na done-for-you na products, which is yung System.io in a box. So, nakita ko siya na may potential din ang products na yun. System.io funnel templates na done for you. And sabi ko, maganda yung concept ng business. So, binili ko siya, yung PLR license nun. And then, inedit ko siya, gumawa ako ng sarili kong style, ng sarili kong sales page, and dinagdagan ko ng mga other products. And then, I launched it. Kinakabahan pa din ako guys nung nilaunch ko yung System.io digital kit ko. Kasi I feel that hindi pa ako ganun ka-expert when it comes to funnel designs. I'm not also expert when it comes to creating social media and a lot of things. But still, I decided to launch that product. So, nabili ko pala yung Done For You funnel guys for about $7. And then, bininta ko siya ng 499 pesos. And then, up to this recording guys, I'm still making profit from it. The result of System.io digital kit was mind-blowing. For the first time guys, after 5 years of doing trial and error to have an online business, I was making a consistent profit every month. So, yung puhunan ko na $7 guys ay kinita ko siya ng paulit-ulit. Yun po ang kagandahan kapag nag-invest ka sa isang Done For You products. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan gumawa ng sarili mong products, pero kikita at kikita ka ng paulit-ulit as long as na pinopromote mo siya lagi. But let me be real with you guys. Pagdating sa online business or sa digital product business, it's not all about rainbow and sunshine. May mga araw na makapagbenta ako ng 1 to 2 sales. And then, meron ding mga araw na subang wala talagang benta. That's when it hit me really, really hard. Though I'm already prepared for this and I already know about it. Being an entrepreneur is not all about constant wins. It's about persistence through ups and downs. And adaptability is crucial. And lastly, having an all-in-one platform like System.io is a game changer talaga guys. No more juggling in multiple expensive tools. Lahat ng basic features na kailangan mo to start an online business ay ando na kay System.io. So sa 6 months ko ngayon na journey as a part-time digital product entrepreneur, ay masasabi ko na malaki yung pagkakaiba ng 6 months journey ko ngayon compared to my last 5 years of doing trial and error. And it is all because of System.io. Though hindi naman ako kumikita ng millions talaga sa digital product selling, ay masasabi ko na malaking tulong na din kahit papano sa pang-araw-araw na kailangan namin financially. And to think that I am a full-time mom, wala po talaga akong ibang full-time work. So, meron naman ako mga freelance work, pero hindi siya ganun ka-sustainable because clients will just come and go. So, mas maganda pa din na meron kang second source of income. And ito nga yung ina-advise ko na having a digital product business. So, what's next for me? Well, guys, I'm not stopping here. 6 months is just a beginning. I'm still constantly exploring new strategies to scale my business. And I'm excited to see where it leads. Kung ikaw ay kagaya ko before na frustrated, na gusto nang mag-quit sa yung digital product business kasi feeling mo wala ka namang kinikita, walang return of investment, na feeling mo wala namang pinapatunguhan yung mga pinagagawa mo ngayon sa yung online business. I hope my story gives you hope to keep going and just continue your journey. And if you're considering System.io, take it from someone who's been there. It might just the turning point that you need in your business right now. And also guys, I have a free guide that you can download for free. You can get the link of the free guide in the description of this video. Thank you so much for listening to my story. Remember, your breakthrough might be just around in the corner. Keep pushing guys, keep learning kasi malay natin, balang araw ay magiging successful ka na. Maybe you're sharing your success story next time. Until then, this is Rose guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.